Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in. This is Tiffany Baby TV. You have tuned in for another banger. I have this braided wig from Beauty Sparks. This unit is called Kendra. Here is what she looks like on the website. This is a brand new release. It is actually not even available on her site yet, but she is taking orders for this. So if you're interested, make sure that you hit her up on Beauty Sparks. You can find her on Instagram and Facebook. She also has a website, beautysparksbraidwig.com, so make sure you check her out. All right, you guys, we're gonna work this from start to finish. This is a full lace unit. I am bald capped up for you guys, so sit back, get comfy, and watch me work. So this unit has stitch braids all along the front. This unit is really versatile. It can be worn up or down. It does come with fully bleached knots. It is a full lace wig, which means you will get natural looking braids all the way around. Here's what it looks like in the back. You do have lace in the back. You also have an elastic band, which is pre-sewn in. You have your adjustable straps, and you also have combs, which are sewn into this unit for you. We usually don't get combs in our braided units, so bonus. You have one here, one towards the middle of the unit, and one in the very back where you're used to them. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Watch me style this unit, you guys. This is gonna be so bomb. Just watch. Now I did try this on earlier just for fit. I went ahead and cut space for my ears just so that I would know exactly where that was going to lay. And because I realized that these braids were going to stop significantly above where my own hairline stopped, I did leave my edges out from that bald cap, and I'm hoping that that will be seamless. We shall see. Today I'm using my tried and true method. I do have a full tutorial on how to melt your lace. I'll leave a card up above so that you can refer back to that video once you finished watching this one. We're going to be using the black tube of the Got to Be Glued gel. We are also going to be using their freeze spray. guys, I'm back real quick with my final thoughts here on Kendra. Bomb. You guys, this is so unique. Who could do this? Nobody but Beauty Sparks. Nobody's going to be able to deliver a style like this effortlessly. You guys just watch me from start to finish slay this braided wig in under 30 minutes. From start to finish, a full head of beautiful, customized, unique cornrow braids, full lace. I did not glue the back down. This is covered very, very well, so you won't even see that part. Here's a quick 360 one more time. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. This is so well done, you guys. I absolutely love this one. You know, I am a fiend for these braided units, and Beauty Sparks keeps delivering. I'm never disappointed in anything that she brings to us, and it's a pleasure for me to bring you these reviews courtesy of Beauty Sparks. Make sure that you guys shop with her. I will leave information in the description box as to where you can purchase this unit, as well as some more details about it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time as always. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for spending some time with Tiffany Baby TV. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Mwah. Bye, guys.